Hello, my name is Julio Porto Macias. I'm 56 years old. I'm a student of the Industrial Engineering program. I'm a polite and talkative person. I also am reliable and amusing, and sometimes I'm funny too. I dislike responsible people. I'm usually cheerful and I don't like to be sad. I'm also an outgoing person. I'm generally a pleasant and easygoing person. I'm flexible and I don't like stubborn people. And now I'm going to describe several parts of my house. I currently live in Cincinnati. This is my room. There is a brown big bed. There is a small table where I put an expensive PC. There's a long carpet from the door to the window. There are some tall curtains on the window. They are cheap and old. I plan to buy new ones. There's a candle on my nightstand, but I don't like because it's not safe. It's dangerous. The restroom is small. There is a bathtub where I take a shower to rest. There is a large living room where I have a TV to watch movies. Thank you very much.